This video is going to be about the Flathead Ford F100, I believe it is, made into a crane. So, I finally got around to changing the topping lift sheaves on this crane. Some of the things I've done was I've put the cable on here differently. As you can see, it's wrapped on there. This handle I made a number of years ago. Months ago, I should say. I put the cable clamps on here, ran through this stainless steel thimble. As you can see here, this is a 3-ton safe working load snatch block with a swivel in case I had any kinks in the wire. That's the sheave that I rebuilt, and I have extended it out a bit. I do have a twist in this chain right now, and I'm going to have to take that twist out of the chain. Now, one thing I'm going to be doing is putting a support in here someplace for the boom. And it's resting on this plate and these washers, and that's not good. It's the same thing on the other side. That chain and whatnot over there is to prevent us to keep it from theoretically bouncing up and down in transit, or to limit the amount you can raise it. Now, cables. I've in part greased this cable. Old habit of mine from being a merchant sailor, greasing the cables on ships keeps them soft. And what we did up here, climbing the ladder. So this is what I did. This is the original topping lift. There were pulleys, which I'll show you in a couple of minutes. They were in here in the first place. So I got these 8-ton snatch blocks off of Amazon. They got grease fittings, and you can see I greased them already. That's fresh grease in there, and also in here. They came with these nice little nylon or Velcro holders. And that was my solution. Less than 50 bucks. And you can see how nicely the cables lay in there. Now I'm going to show you what the original sheaves look like. I think I may have made a video on them earlier. These are what they look like. 7 inches, all steel, but they're broken off in here. You can see how much they were, how wide they were in the first place. Both sides broken off. And as you can see, the hole in the center is worn at an angle. Well, that's the story. And one last thing I want to show you. This lever here is a stopper. For when you crank in this direction, it lifts up and it drops in place. This up drops in place. Not that much effort to raise and lower this due to the fact that you've got a 3-to-1 pulley on here. And I guess that concludes the video. Have a blessed day in the Lord.